Come check out this new Avenger floor plan, the Avenger LE. It's a 24-foot floor plan, but feels much roomier inside. Nice size trailer to tow. It is a little longer than 24 feet, but the inside space, so simple and open design. If you have a comfy chair and you wish to put it into your trailer, this is a trailer for it. Let's take a walk around. You've got pass-through front storage area under your bed. Propane quick connect if you want an outdoor stove or barbecue there. Power awning, nice big awning area. Doggy D-ring, LED lighting. It's prepped for the backup ladder, or for the backup camera and the ladder at the back there if you wish to add those upgrades. Taking a look at the specs, 54, 26 pounds dry weight. So you tow with a half-ton truck. And what I mean about bringing your comfy favorite chair is you've got all that space here inside the door. Utilize it the way you want it, but if you've got your favorite recliner chair, I'm sure there's room for it there. Spot for your TV on top of the cabinet, some extra storage area there. Wardrobe, cabinet, game cupboard, whatever you want it to be. The kitchen's at the back, that's why your central area of the trailer seems so big. Upper cabinets, big full sink, 3-burner stove, the 12-volt fridge, very efficient cooling while you drive. The sofa and dinette both convert to beds. Your main bedroom with a sliding door across the front, easy access to it. Enter the bedroom in the middle, so it's no long squeeze for anyone really. Underbed storage, overhead storage, 2 shirt closets. Pop inside the washroom for a nice size shower with a fan above it, rounded shower curtain, a mirror, sink, some storage space. So come check out the Avenger 24RKSLE if you'd like a trailer with lots of floor space. Come check it out at a long haul in Listowel.